These are the Jamaican-born musicians with the most Billboard Hot 100 entries. Let's get into it. We start with a three-way tie. Dancehall legend Bounty Killer has 3 Billboard Hot 100 entries. Shenseea also has 3 entries. During The Voice, Tessan Chin became one of the few Jamaicans to chart multiple times. Fashion icon and music legend Grace Jones has 4 Billboard Hot 100 entries. Another artist with 4 entries is Diana King. She broke through internationally with Shy Guy. Next is a 4-way tie with 5 Hot 100 entries each. Heavy D, born in Mandeville, became one of hip-hop's biggest stars in the early 90s. Kingston band Inner Circle crossed over globally with Bad Boys and Sweat. Dancehall queen Patra became one of Jamaica's biggest female crossover stars. And Shabba Ranks helped take dancehall to mainstream audiences with classics like Mr. Loverman and House Call. Alright guys, so now we in the top 3. When you can guess who in them top 3, yeah? Number 3, Beanie Man. The doctor himself. Beanie Man earned 6 Billboard Hot 100 entries with songs like Who Am I, Dude, and King of the Dancehall. Number 2, Shaggy. With 8 Billboard Hot 100 entries, Shaggy is second on our list. From Boombastic to It Wasn't Me and Angel, Shaggy became one of Jamaica's biggest global superstars with 2 #1 hits. Number 1, Sean Paul. Sean Paul has an incredible 19 Billboard Hot 100 entries, more than double anyone else on this list. With 4 #1 hits including Get Busy, Temperature, Baby Boy, and Cheap Thrills, Sean Paul is officially the most successful Jamaican-born artist in Billboard Hot 100 history. Were you guys surprised by this list? Follow for more.